comeback na Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL mula Cotabato. Dito naman ibabahagi ni Joshua Macasarte ang kanyang talento para sa koponan ng San Pedro Spartan.
Sablayan goes to Mayuga, another 3-ball. Too strong, rebounded by Macasarte. So a lot of time left. The Spartans looking for their first basket dito sa ating overtime period. Bibigay sa kanila ni Joshua Macasarte. Rebound, makukuha ni Macasarte. Macasarte pa rin, eludes the defense and that patented lefty finish.
Macasarte coming up big.
Macasarte battles his way through. Look at that lefty layup from Macasarte.
Went directly at Villas in there. He has no choice but to
Similar play, but that time around, Macasarte. 35-ball deadlock. Macasarte coast to coast.
great net play there.